Hi everyone. It is 9 in the morning on a Friday and I am standing in front of Al Noor Island in Sharjah. I will show you a 360-degree view of the Cornish area. This is the Buhaira Cornish, the Khalid Lagoon in Sharjah. Al Noor Island is a place where you can relax and find peace. The ambience is very good even if you are not a nature lover. Surely you will love the entire island. Since its opening in December 2015, Al Noor Island has won a host of prestigious international awards. The working hours on weekdays is 9 am to 11 pm and on weekends it is 9 am to 12 midnight. The Butterfly House is open daily from 9 am to 6 pm. You have to buy tickets to enter the island. You can buy tickets from the ticket counter at the entry gate. Due to COVID-19, it is mandatory to wear face masks and follow social distancing. The charges are displayed in front of the counter. You can carry cameras and mobile phones to take pictures or video, but drones are not allowed inside. You cannot carry food items, but drinking water is permitted. This is the bridge connecting the mainland and the island. You can have a beautiful view of the Sharjah Cornish from the bridge. You can have self or guided tour with special charges of the island and the facilities. This is the Dracena Draco tree. The main attractions in the island are the Butterfly House, Children's Playground, Literature Pavilion, Cactus Garden, Gleaming Meadows, Maze Garden, Trampoline Pathway, Edgar Tesac Sculpture, Ovo Art Installation, Wind Image Flags, Fossil Rocks, Columns Sculpture, Taurus Sculpture, and the Noor Cafe. Come, let's go inside and explore the island. We are starting with the Butterfly House and the Noor Cafe, which are the first and the last of the attractions. This is the Butterfly House, which is a metallic structure with glass walls. There are more than 20 varieties of butterflies inside. The Noor Cafe is also inside. Next is the children's playground. The ambience inside the island is calm and relaxing. This is the literature pavilion. You can sit inside and read books of your choice. Now we are in front of the cactus garden. Enjoy the long cactus plants. Here is somebody not so happy about disturbing the privacy. This is the pathway to the gleaming meadows. Careful, we are entering the maze garden. Oh, bad luck, we could not navigate out of the maze. This is the Edgar Desac sculpture. The trampoline pathway is closed for the time being. The beautiful OVO art installation is in front of us. It will be worth watching it with light effects and fountain in the evening. You can see the wind image flags. The view of the Corniche is absolutely scenic. These are the fossil rocks. This is the columns sculpture. The Taurus sculpture is amazing. It is worth spending some time in peace and tranquility while taking a tour of the beautiful Al-Nur Island. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Atyutka and click the bell icon for notifications if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for watching the video. We are coming up with more interesting locations and videos.